The package is secured. Yo, what's up? I'm so hyped right now, man. We got the freaking Supreme on deck now. First off, this is my first order. I did 2 separate orders, so I got a little bit more stickers going on here. So we can go ahead and take a look. First off, I got the red top with the Supreme logo embroidered, no print on. You can see there, you see all the stitches. Man, I'm super hyped about that one right there. Then moving on over to the Queen White tee. So she's a little Instagram thought. Look at her trying to show off what's going on. Got in white. I thought it looked the cleanest. And of course we got our free stickers. We got these monks, the floating monks on the Super Mario bricks. They're doing their thing, contemplating taking over the world with the Illuminati or something like that. Then we got the Mary J. Blige sticker, and it's got, looks like it's signed on the back. Of course it's not really signed, but it looks like it. So that's definitely dope. That's probably a keeper. You got your lottery ticket Supreme sticker for all you bums hoping to get rich, but it just never works out as designed. And then we got the traditional Supreme sticker, super Supreme cream on deck for all your lubricant needs. And we got the Mr. Parachute Man jumping to the line of battle, doing his thing. So, man, we got everything on deck. It's looking good. This is my first purchase. I'm super hyped about it. From what I could tell, the print quality looks good. The threads, you can see the threads in there, they look good. The stitching looks good. So everything is on point. My first order, super hype about it. So I want to do an unboxing for you guys. If you're wondering, I did the little intro at the beginning, shows you what the packages look like, so they're not putting you on blast when it comes in the mail. So you know, for those who never order Supreme. So if these fit good, they look good, man, I'm definitely gonna cop more. All right, peace.